In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable a proxy connection on your Chrome OS device, so any Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the launcher icon down in the bottom left corner, and then select the settings button. Looks like a little gear icon in the start menu. And then you want to select the network button on the left panel underneath settings. And then on the right side, there should be something that says network and then whatever your connection is here, selected. And then select proxy, click the drop down. And if you want to configure a proxy server, you just go ahead and select the configure button next to your connected type up here at the top. And you can select your connection preferences here. And then you would select save to save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And if you wanted to disconnect, again, same process there. You would select another network connection type here. You could just delete everything in here if there's another proxy server, perhaps. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.